I had it in Pokemon Go and Pokemon Roblox at Pokemon Brick Grounds, and that I got 2 gym medals on. I always wanted to fight a gym. I just never got to. I tried that one when I first got it. Okay, so we're gonna turn back into here.
What goes that way?
This up here. New Pokemon just right, Mom. Okay, we can keep walking. I have 41 Pokeballs and 9 Great Balls. I don't think I've caught this. Wait, yeah, I have. This is a Venom. This place is very quiet, except for me. Yay, got a Venom. I already have. Oh, I don't have one of these.
See, while you're playing Pokemon, you can introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Corbin. I like pancakes. What?
What else can you tell about yourself?
I play Pokemon. And my favorite thing to do is walk outside. I can almost reach it.
What else do you like doing?
I like playing with my 2 cats. Mittens and Snuggles.
And I'm Rhonda. Yeah, we can do that. And I'm Rhonda. I like reading and texting and talking on the phone. And did I ever say reading? I read a lot. I like nature. I could live outside if I didn't have to use a porta potty. Who are you?
Hi.
Now you can introduce yourself.
I don't introduce myself.
You should.
Nah.
What do you like doing?
Being outside.
And what else?
Technology.
And who are you?
A strange person.
Question.
My husband's
Justin.
weird. Corbin's gonna go catch some Pokemon. What, kiddo?
Once I get into the app, that is. I haven't gotten into the app yet. I'm going in it right now. Oh, Pokestop right here.
Would you like to stop?
My bag is full. Just wait a second. Let's stop here really quick. I'm going to sell some of my items.
Justin's got all of our stuff.
Some more Pokeballs. Okay, too.
Come on, go ahead.
No new Pokemon in the area. Ooh, Mom, can we go to the middle?
Wait.
Back to the splash pad. There's a gym there.
Yes, we will on our way back.
Okay. And I can earn Poke Coins from gyms. If I have stronger Pokemon. But not right now. It has a Gyarados. Gyarados are actually sometimes really good. Ooh. Is this a raid actually? I'm not sure. A raid or a gym. Yes, I'm on.
Pay attention to where we're going. We don't want to get lost.
I know where we're going. We're just walking around.
According to Justin, we don't want to get lost, but I like getting lost. I learn a lot about my surroundings that way. So we're technically doing some school today. We're taking a nature walk for science.
Yay.
What's that sound, Corbin?
A bird. A cricket.
I hear a boat.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's lots of boats in the ocean.
The lake. The lake.
Ocean, same difference.
River,
They
lake.
both have an ocean and a lake.
An ocean has a
water.
bigger body of water than a river.
Well, they're both.
ri-
All of them
river
have
flows
water.
down.
And river flows downhill.
Ooh, I wonder what it's
Ocean
like to
doesn't.
drive a boat down a waterfall. Ooh, I know what I'm doing when I'm old enough.
No, you're not.
It's dangerous to drive a boat down a waterfall.
Oh, it is. Oh. Wait, is this a breeding station?
I don't know. Let's see.
Oh, this isn't Monster Legends. I forgot you can't breed Pokemon. That'd be amazing. I want a baby now.
Oh, the sun's out.
Hey, son. The only thing that the problem here is that's like flying insects, especially bees because there's lots of
I
beehives.
hear another boat. We're surrounded by boats.
Corbin talks a lot.
Let's go into the grass.
You can go into the grass. We'll wait for you.
Yeah, but the gym's all the way over here. I might be over here for a while.
Isn't there a gym by the splash pad?
Yeah,
Okay, well, we'll go back around
Okay.
on our way back.
There's a Gyarados in it. I have enough Pokemon. I have strong Pokemon. You know what they should add?
What? Here, show the screen your Pokemon. See, one
You
screen,
can't really see
to
it.
another.
Well, you know what? They should add like the, what's it called? The Generation 6 or 5. I don't remember.
So now you can see us walking.
Hi.
You're fine. It's a good day for a walk. What do you think, Corbin?
Mm-hmm.
Any comments or thoughts?
No.
Here are the crickets. Or can I throw you in the river?
No.
Why not?
Because you can't.
Here, let me hold it.
Ooh, the sun's coming now.
See, there's the sky.
Now it's hiding again.
When we first got to the park, it was raining a little, but hung out with some friends for a bit, and it's not raining anymore. That's the midget. Well, he's not much of a midget.
He'll be taller than you in a couple years,
Don't push it, Justin.
if not one.
See, that's the tree. And then Justin's just a lonely ranger back there.
Taller than everyone else.
He's all by himself, though. Sucks to be him. Now we are walking back to the splash
And then
pad.
I see another entrance right behind us. Because, like, you know that what's it called, that driveway?
Yep. This park is huge, Corbin.
Car. And Pokemon Go's having issues, I guess.
Yep, cars drive through here because it's so big.
Mm-hmm.
And the sun's out again. So here's a little video of just our life and what we three like to do. It's rain.
Oh, Pokestop here. Another car.
Here goes a car. Where's there a Pokestop?
In front of us.
Would you like to stop there?
Yeah, probably.
Okay.